We received reliable information today that certain people have come to Goa from UP and Haryana, Delhi and other places who have received a contract to kill a businessman here, hotelier businessman here in Goa. So based on the information, we conducted a raid and we have so far arrested 2 people. One person name is Sushil, who was staying in a particular hotel at Anjuna with false identity by giving forged Aadhaar card reception. And we have recovered weapons from him as well as in person, as well as from his personal belongings also in the room where he was staying. And based on his disclosure, we further conducted a raid at Calangute, at Chawla Chicken, I think it's a restaurant there. So we have further recovered weapons from one person who was working there and from the premises also. The first person's name is Sushil, alias Vijay, and as told by him, we need to verify the credentials of that person because he had given forged identity there. And the second person is Ashok Sutar. So we have recovered totally 6 weapons.
What kind of weapons?
Show you.
What kind of weapons?
These are country-made pistols, illegitimate weapons, country-made pistols, and around 26 live rounds.
Have you identified the person who has given the contract?
Yes, we have identified the person. There are 2 people. One is Ravikant Yadav, and another one is Vipin Singh. I believe is Vipin Singh. So we will. There are certain other players also in the picture. So we'll have to verify all those.
What is the motive? Business rivalry?
Yes, they had owed some money to this particular businessman whom they wanted to kill. So to avoid that, they wanted to kill him.
अटक केल्यात तातूंतलो विजय उर्फ सुशील हरियाणाचो आणि अशोक सुतार दिल्लीचो. शार्पशूटरांक कॉन्ट्राक्ट दिवपी रविकांत आणि विपिन म्हणटात ते गोंया भायले, पूण तांचे कळंगूट धंदे चलतात. वादग्रस्त छोटू सालवार खरो, मात ह्या शार्पशूटरांक पळोवन कळंगुटे सध्या बरोच खवदळ पडला. प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार आणि व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट सुभाष कुटवळकार.